welcome back to my channel. Finally has arrived. I've been waiting for this box all day. It's late. It's late, definitely late, but I've been waiting for it. It finally arrived and I cannot wait to open it. So we are going to be unboxing Beautylish Lucky Box, and I ordered the XL, size XL. This is for 2025. All right. The box is bigger than I remember the one from last year being. Here is the box. I always love their packaging. We're just going to go ahead and get into it. I hope it's going to be a good one. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. This is my third year getting this box. The past 2 years have been really good. So I hope that this year will be the same. It's packed full of stuff, and I can see some things. All right, we have the U Beauty, the Plasma Lip Compound. And this is maybe a shade Rose or the scent Rose. I've tried U Beauty before, and I've enjoyed their products quite a bit. So, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a pricey item. I'll look up the prices and I'll have that all in the description box, or I'll have them listed on the screen. Next up, we have Good Molecules, the Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. I'm not surprised to see Good Molecules. I think we've got Good Molecules every year, considering their Beautylish brand. I haven't tried the Daily Moisturizer, so we're going to give that a shot. Okay. Ooh, I got a Charlotte Tilbury, the Filmstar Bronze and Glow, and this is the light medium shade. This is a mini. I have the full size, and I really like it. But this is definitely the mini. Hey, I'm not going to complain. This is going to live in my travel bag. Yep. I'm kind of bummed. It's not a new product, but it's all right. Yeah, I think we got Charlotte Tilbury last year too, or I did. All right. What else is there? I have a Silky Crunchy. I do really like these. This is the Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. Yeah, I love them. That's what I use every single night before going to bed for my hair. I have a Verb Dandruff Shampoo. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Dandruff? I don't have dandruff. And what am I going to do with this? Bummer. That's a bummer. What else? This is heavy. Le Prunier Plumbody Hydrating Antioxidant Body Cream. I have a product from them, and I know this brand is expensive as heck. This is so heavy. Oh, this is heavy. Let's see. Does it smell nice? Doesn't smell like anything. What is it supposed to smell like? Picked and pressed in Northern California. This is almond flour? I'm not sure. Okay. I'm gonna have to look that thing up. All right. Did I get any makeup yet? Yeah, it took me a little while to realize that I have some lotion on my nose, so I do apologize for that. I ended up figuring out what everything else was in the box because I was editing and I was like, I cannot continue my video with white lotion on my nose. The next thing that came in the box, or the lucky bag, was the Danessa Myricks, the Blooming Romance eyeshadow palette. I'm actually really excited to get this one. I would have preferred the latest, her latest, the Groundwork palette. Absolutely was hoping for that one. Ooh, that smells nice. But I'm still really pleased with this one. These are definitely colors I know I would wear either as blushes or as eyeshadows. I don't have this palette. I have her first one. I have a really nice dent in it. So I'm really happy for this one. I'm glad it's not one that I do own. But yeah, I was really hoping for the other one. The next product I picked up, and I wish I could just leave the video as it was, because my reaction when I opened this thing and I finally figured out what it was, I was like, are you freaking kidding me? But this is Viseart palette, the 15 shade professional makeup palette. And for the life of me, I could not figure out what it was until I read on the back, and it says that it is a brow, structured brow and shade. Yeah. So, I mean, I don't fill in my brows with anything like this. I'm gonna try it as an eyeshadow because I don't see why not, unless it's listed like not safe for eyes. But if it's gonna be going on my eyebrows, I would think it's okay. I don't know about the pomades, but everything else, I think I could use it that way. But I was bummed. I really am bummed about this one. And that's when I thought I was done. And I was like, oh my goodness, this is it. This is what a crapper of a box. Putting everything away, and I found one last item in here, and that is the Goss brush, and this is the F5. I was actually really happy when I saw this one. I was like, oh my goodness. Like, I'm really excited that I got something that I'm like, okay, I'm happy. I'm happy with these two. I'm good. Was it worth it? Probably not for me. I'm pretty sure I'll still get use out of the Charlotte Tilbury duo. I know I'll try this for my eyes. It's neutrals, my kind of thing. The only thing that I'm not so happy about is this guy. Like, are you kidding me? Why would you send a Verb Dandruff shampoo without knowing the person's preferences, kind of thing? But it is what it is. It's a mystery bag. It's a lucky bag. Let me know what you guys thought. Did you get one? Did you not get one? Were you kind of like, what did you think of my box? Should I be excited or disappointed? I'm definitely going to look up the prices, and I'm going to have everything in the description box. But from what I remember, this is a pretty pricey brand, because I have like a micro dermabrasion product from them, and I remember it was a pretty pricey product. But that's it. And hopefully I don't have anything on my face. I know I've had my makeup on for hours. I put my makeup on at 10. It's 8 p.m. I'm tired. I'm yeah, but I wanted to share with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Structure, brow, and shade. Oh, you guys, I'm not happy. Um, yeah. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I guess I'll have all the prices listed in the description box, and I'll have them on the screen. I'm a little disappointed, not gonna lie. But hey, it is what it is. It is a surprise bag. It's a mystery box. Well, I spoke too soon. There's one more item in here, and I'm glad that there's one more item, because that was pretty disappointing. Ooh, it's a Goss brush. Ooh, I love his brushes. Okay, now I'm excited. Now I'm happy. Here I go again. Bye.